Okay, we are online. Okay, I'm going on Ducati today. What we got here? Africa Twin and woo! The beast. All right, welcome to Gran Canaria. I'm sitting on Ducati 950. In front of me was a friend of mine on Africa Twin 2020. Behind me there is Multistrada 1260. And we are also going with a friend on new Ducati Diavel, and this is going to be more like a freestyle kind of trip because we don't have any plans. More or less it's a sunset tour ride because we are leaving now local time 5:15. I'm recording this on new GoPro 10 which arrived a couple of days ago, so I will try to test a couple of settings and also to see the quality, you know, like what is better than GoPro 9 and etc. But the main purpose is to show you what is about this island, Canary Islands, and especially this particular Gran Canaria. And also invite you here to ride with us because it's awesome. So we just now heading to the north coast, and then we just go directly to the mountains. So bit of coast ride. This is Ruben on Ducati. Sorry, I'm on Ducati. He's on Africa. So yeah, great bike. Over there is the capital, Las Palmas de Gran Canaria, and yeah, it's pretty good weather here. We have to take some fuel here. My bike is full, it's good, but yeah, we can buy water or anything like that. Yeah, all together. Now let's do some good riding. I really like this spot because you're really close to the ocean here in Quintanilla. This is on the north coast of Gran Canaria, and yeah, it's like you can almost touch it, you know. So we have David on brand new Ducati Diavel. This is demo bike from I think it's demo bike from Ducati because he's working in the dealership here. So yeah, I might try it today as well. Yeah, this is just amazing part. Great fun. Just never-ending corners here, really. Fantastic. You can see that here in north part there is this part is very green, a lot of bushes, trees, etc. And then when we cross the middle of the island, and it will change quite a bit. I mean, it will change a lot. It's gonna be more like a rocky, you know, kind of Grand Canyon States feeling. But this is really fun. And now we're going to Fontanales. That's this beautiful village here in Gran Canaria. We are not lucky today to see the Tenerife Island.
¿Quieres probar?
Sí, yo sí. Coge la África y tú coge la multi. Okay. Oh. Okay, Diavel. Wow, that's really far. I'm too tall for this bike. Wow. That's... Wait. Oh yeah! Okay, it's gonna be... Oh, this is gonna be fun. Okay, I have to say I've never been on Diavel before. Wow! Wow, the torque is crazy. Okay, I have to get used to it a little bit. The position is really strange, but I think it's just time of... Feels quite light, to be honest. You can feel that the bike wants to go really fast. Oh, Jesus, that's... Wow. Oh, steer. Wow. Oh yeah, the brakes are good. Oh, jeez. Ooh. Nice. Wow, the brakes are really good, huh? Wow. Yeah, this is a very tight corner, so to get ready this. Okay. Ooh. Wow. I have to say this engine is impressive, but the brakes are just awesome, really nice. Yeah, I didn't even have a sport mode. It was just a touring on the engine, so una bestia. Wow, these bikes really push you from the corner. Wow, and then brakes, but to be honest, I don't know where I have the limit of the foot pegs. It feels like you will get... Wow. Alright, we are arriving to Cruz de Tejera. There is a couple of restaurants, very nice hotel, and very popular motorcycle spot. So we will have coffee here, chat a little bit, and just chill. Yeah, you can park motorcycle actually inside here. Chacho, pero el motor brutal, pero el freno.
No, el freno trasero, dice.
Freno los dos es una pasada.
Ah, te gustaron.
Uf, estos frenas, coño.
Hombre, esto frena, ¿no?
Joder, pero...
De esta es muy bueno, de la Ducati.
¿Con tu eres motora, no?
No, yo no pedí. Nosotros no le enseñamos.
Bueno, te lo tienen que enseñar esta semana porque hoy es 26.
No, eso hasta diciembre no se va. Coffee down, we're leaving Cruz de Tejera. I'm again on the different bike. Wow, that's... You're jumping from different bikes when, especially the front wheel size, very different from 17 to 19 to 21 on Africa Twin, and you need to get used to it again. So restart brain. Now we are going through the zone where you can officially stay overnight in a tent, but you need to register on website, on the government website. We'll show you in second while we pass this car. If you want to stay overnight in nature here, it's possible, but you need to book like your spot. So you know, like the rangers, they know about you. Something happened here. Quite often there is fires, wildfires. So you see, there's people camping here overnight. It's quite nice, and also that other part, which I will be in a second. There is a place to make a barbecue. Very often closed due to, you know, possible wildfire. Yeah, so there's toilets, I think, and a nice place to chill, relax, have a picnic. But during the summer there is some limitation, and also because we are still in COVID, that's why a lot of places are limited. We have a very nice view over Roccanubla. That's the monument up there. And here there's a parking where you can stop. Here, it's quite a few people here, and there is nice like half an hour hike up there. Worth it, really. If you have time, it's really nice, and you get a really nice view over there. It's quite spectacular. So we're going down now to Ayakata, and then we're going to explore there is a new section of roads to near one lake called Presa de las Niñas. I mean, it's not real lake, it's a dam, but there's a new surface, and it should be quite nice riding. So we're just going down. Wow, beautiful view. Now the sun is going down. We got the golden hour. Woo! Wow, look at the view. So this road is going from the center of the Gran Canaria to the coast, to the southwest coast. And before this amazing nice survey, it was quite in bad condition. But now they fixed everything, and it's one of the best parts of the island. Okay, so they didn't fix everything, but let's see. Still pretty nice. Yeah, it's a very nice view here, and then the sun is going down. We might get some beautiful sunset. So David is on my Ducati from the Canary Island fleet. You can rent this bike, you can rent that bike. Great combination. Oh, I love this section. Nice. Wow. Another dam. There's a lot of them here. That's why how they keep water, because there is not much rainy days, so they try to keep as much as water as possible. And they have these systems of different dams. And the water is used usually for the agriculture. Okay, we can see now the coast, ocean. Wow, amazing view, huh? And there's a lot of this section is quite technical, so more sharper corners, more narrow road. So you have to be careful, because if it's car coming, yeah, it's quite narrow. There's not space for mistake here. Wow, I'm in heaven now. Look at that view. It's almost like a style view. Wow. I'm on Ducati again. Have to restart all my all my positions because it's different again. Okay, we are riding now on GC 605. Look at that view, but look at that, there is no barrier here, so I have to be caution, but spectacular ride. It's getting dark now, so hopefully, okay, what he's doing here. Okay. So, yeah. Very technical riding here, GC 605. Also, locals, very often they beep. They beep inside, so they know if there's something coming, you know, if something is coming, you would just let them know, hey, I'm here, and I don't want to be hit. So yeah, pretty damn narrow. Great surface. And pretty, oh nice. And the views are just stunning. Okay, we decided to go the west side to La Aldea and then to Agate and back to home, Las Palmas. It's longer, it's more fun. And yeah, it's for sure will be dark as hell because the sun, I think it's already gone. But anyway, thank you for watching. If you have no idea where is Canary Island, then I highly recommend it to have a look, because it's a unique place, part of the Spain, but very quite south from the mainland, and we have a unique climate here, in meaning that there is no winter. So we can ride every day, and that's beautiful, isn't it? So yeah, perfect escape if you are in Europe. The season is finishing now, September, October. A perfect escape for people who loves motorcycles and love motorcycle riding. We have here a fleet of 15 motorcycles now, and we will be happy to see you here. So thank you for watching, have a good day, and I will see you soon. One more thing, look at this wall, colorful wall. This is an amazing spot, highly recommend it. It's in the south of the Gran Canaria. There is some place to stop, have a drink, and I think there's also some hikes here. Los Azulejos, beautiful, beautiful nature, and just stunning. All right, that's it from me, and have a good day.